going on YouTube? Got the shop kitty Tara. She was outside in the rain, so she's kind of cold. She wants some attention, although I'm trying to do stuff. Anyways, today we are going to do a perfect handle pry bar, or some people call them a tire spoon. I think this is a pry bar or a tire spoon. It has a hefty amount of patina. Kitty, they don't want to see your ass. I don't want it in my face. It says the H.D. Smith and Co. Made in Plantsville, Connecticut, USA. Then on the other side it says perfect handle patented. And probably towards the end I'll try and do a little bit of information on this, but we're going to clean her up, get her nice and shiny, and go from there. Let me see if I can get rid of this kitty so we can do some buffing and polishing and grinding and stuff. Okay, here you have it. I'll put some info about this down in the description or at the bottom of the screen. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to put boiled linseed oil on it for probably about a week. I'll put it on every day, and it should absorb it and swell up a little bit. The handles aren't loose, but they're not super tight, you know. So we'll do that, and it's going to go right up. Yeah. So if you could, click down there, right, it says subscribe, do that, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.